adventure I got going on. We're about almost an hour and a half away from where we're heading, and we are going just north of Columbia, Missouri. Got to do some work at my buddy's property, and I just decided to come on out Friday night and make it a nice little camp night. So he'll be out in the morning. We'll get some work done, get everything ready for turkey and deer season. But yeah, the weather's been perfect. The high today was right around 80, and the low for tonight is mid to low 60s, so perfect camping weather. We're kind of in a race against time here because the sun is setting. We ain't gonna make it. I have a feeling it's gonna be dark by the time we get there, and that's fine. This camera really doesn't film very well in the dark anyway, but once I get out there, I'll get everything, the tent and all that set up. We got a nice little dinner planned, and just hanging out. So like I said, thanks for joining along, and we'll get back to you when we get out there. All right, everybody, well, we are out here. I don't know how much this camera is going to pick up because I know it hates the dark filming. But we got camp set up, we got the tent set up. Don't have the awning out yet. I'll probably do that in the morning. It's just getting way too late to really be out here messing with anything. So I think we're going to put the toasted cheese sandwiches on hold. Might just grab a little late night snack here. I hit some traffic coming up through Columbia, so it kind of slowed me down. My whole goal was to get out here before it got too dark, but it just wasn't working tonight. So we're all good. Temperatures are perfect. The bugs are just insane out here, so I'm trying to keep all the lights off to a minimum, or on at a minimum. But yeah, we'll grab a snack, hop up in the tent, get the old Chromebook fired up, get it on the hotspot on my phone, and watch some YouTube, and then probably call it for a night. Nothing better than the old Wally's cookie from lunch is my late night snack. That's gonna taste amazing tonight. So, all right, up in the tent we go. With us getting out here so late, it kind of just screwed up the plans for dinner, but we got a nice snack in. Good old Wally's cookie does the job every time. But gorgeous night, but the bugs are insane tonight. The moths were all over, so that's all right. It's late enough. It's going on 10 o'clock now. So Ryan's supposed to be out here first thing in the morning, so I want to get up early and get a good breakfast going so when he gets here, so we can get some work done. But yeah, sorry about that. It just when I got just north of Columbia off the exit, there was a wreck right there, and I wound up sitting there for like 30 extra minutes. So just kind of delayed me getting out here, and by the time I got out here, got the tent set up, to get the cooker out and start making sandwiches on it, I'd be up till midnight, 1 a.m. So I mean, it'd be different if I had some buddies here or something camping with me, but solo camping, I'm not messing with it. I just had a nice snack, so we're good enough. Forgot my login, so I guess this thing's pretty much useless now, so I can figure this out. Oh boy. Let's see what tomorrow brings. What do you say? Look at that. Got it working. Figured out my password. Haha. This night isn't a wash at all. So now we'll stay up till 1 a.m., you know, doing stuff we shouldn't be doing, watching this. Could have had our sandwiches. But, oh well, I'm gonna watch this. I'll see y'all in the morning. Come on, guys. It's time to wake up. We got rain moving in. We got breakfast to make. We ain't got time for y'all to be sleeping all day, all right? Let's get out of here. Let's go. Hopefully we can get some bacon and eggs going. I got some potatoes we gotta cut up, get them fried up, and hopefully this stuff's edible. Alright, so of course it started raining a little harder, so we moved camp kitchen to under the awning. Now I gotta get all my stuff from under here that is buried. It's funny because all the way up until the other day they weren't even calling for any rain. But showing up late, now we got rain. I got a gigantic pothole behind me. Sucks. I guess now my awning is going to smell like bacon, so that's always good. So yeah, normally I'll cook over here. I do get some protection from the back hatch, but it's like right now it's not raining. And then 2 minutes from now it'll be downpouring. And then it's just off and on, I don't know. So we're just moving on here. We got the bacon going. Let's get the potatoes going now. Well, the rain's back. We're gonna get potatoes on. Bacon's cooking. Ryan's pulling in. Hopefully we can get the food done, right? Best I got for a lid. It's gonna have to work. you some secret that I use for my grilled cheese. That right there, Freddy's fry sauce. All right, well, got everything cleaned up. A few more things to put away. Trash right there, gotta throw that in the back of the trash, or our fake trasheroo. But Ryan's head home, so he's all packed up. We got the property taken care of. Deer season, gonna be minty fresh. Trail cams showed a lot of good evidence of some deer activity, so that's always a good thing. Actually saw a couple turkey on some of the pictures too. So I'm just gonna finish getting cleaned up, probably gonna take a shower, put the old new shower system to a good use, and we'll be on the road. So y'all don't want to see that part, but I'll talk to you when we're on the road. All right, all cleaned up. Shower works amazing. Absolutely love. That was the best part of this whole trip. Coming back after doing all the work, taking a quick shower. Pressure was good, temperature was perfect. I mean, it wasn't much of a video. I'm sorry if it wasn't your thing. I'm hoping to get out more and get used to doing these kind of videos. You know, my normal stuff is working in the garage and doing that kind of stuff and making projects for this thing so I can get out here and do it. But we gotta get a move on. We got a big old storm brewing, and I at least want to get out of the backwoods before we run into that mess. So I don't know. Once again, Jeep worked perfectly. The sound that I had from the front end on the way out, I don't know what it is. To me, it might be probably a U-joint or a wheel hub. I don't know. It only did it at idle speeds. Once I got moving, it went away. So it's weird. I did put new front wheel bearings in this thing, so they've only got under 10,000 miles on them. So I don't think that's it. I'm kind of leaning more towards a U-joint probably, but when we get home, we always empty everything out, clean everything up, get it ready for the next trip. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll pull the Jeep up and we'll see what that noise is, see if we can figure out what's going on. I don't know. Like I said, I know this wasn't much of a well put together video. Things just kind of, the puzzle pieces kind of didn't fall together, so we just beat them in there, you know. I don't know. But that storm is looking sick. There's been some lightning with it, some good thunder. So we better get the heck out of here. But you guys, I'm hoping to do more camp videos. So let me know what you think, what you change. I know more content while I'm doing it, but like I said, this trip just kind of fell apart from the beginning and then kind of salvaged itself as we got farther in. So, all right, well, we're gonna get on the road. That's gonna do it for this video. You guys, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.